Hello student, I Umesh Kumar Gera, working as assistant professor in AIML department SIRT college. Today I have discussed about the very important topic that is array. That topic is very much important for the student because this topic belongs to the very important subject that is data structure and algorithm. And also this is very useful to develop any software. So we are storing our data in the form of array because array is a practical implementation where we can data store in the array. So first, what is array? Array is a homogeneous data structure where we are storing the same kinds of value. Before array, suppose that we have a 10 variables 10 value is to, I want to store the 10 value into the memory, then we have to declare the 10 different variable names. So to remove this kind of problem, array is a data structure where we can store the same kind of value in a contiguous manner. That means if we want to store a 10 element integer type value in the memory, then we declare only single name array and we provide the 10 slots in the memory so we can easily store the 10 different value in the contiguous manner with the same name of the variable, that is the array variable. So here I am discuss about the array in a C programming language. So first of all you have to understand ki what are the syntax to store the element and to declare the array in the C programming language. So the syntax is data type, array name, and subscript square bracket and the size of subscript. So this is the declaration of array. Here integer is a data type. That means we are storing the integer kinds of value. In array name is ARR. We are using only a single name, that is ARR. Apart from to use the five different variable name and the size of array is 5. So this is the declaration. Before using the array in C programming language, you have to first declare the array. So this is the declaration part. But in C programming language, we have a facility. We can declare as well as the define array in a single line process. That means how to initialize the value in the array. Suppose we have declared the array int arr 5. That means we have a declare a array arr name of the array and size of array is 5 and the value that are stored in the array is integer type, and here we are using the value 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. These are the five value that I want to store in the array. So array indexing start from 0 as well as 1, but in C programming language always index start from 0, but we can change the index of array manually. So start index is arrow. That means if I want to access the ARR2, that means ARR2 is not a element of second. This is the element of third. Well, where we are using the index number 2, but index start from 0. So ARR2 means we are accessing the 30 because 10 is a ARR0, 20 is a ARR1, 30 is a ARR2. So ARR2 means we are talking about the value that is 30. If we are talking about the ARR3, that means the 44th value of a array because array index start from 0. Suppose I want to start the array from 1. So 10 will be stored at ARR1, 20 will be stored at ARR2, 30 will be stored at ARR3 and 40 will be stored at ARR4 and like that. So array is beautiful property, that is, the array is a random access memory where we can directly access the element address. So this is the formula where we use this formula we can find the address of any element. So suppose I want to find the address of, for the given example, we have a array int arr minus 5 to 10. That means we have a 16 element in this array. So how to find the number of element in array? The formula is upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. So upper bound is 10, lower bound is minus 5. So 10 minus minus 5 plus 1, that is total element is 60. Suppose I want to find the address of, in this example, ARR 9. So I want to calculate the address of ARR 9. That means I value is 9. So base address of array is 100 and W is a 3. That means integer can take a 3 byte of memory. In practically in C programming, integer can take only 2 byte. But in this given data, if integer can take 3 byte, then we solve the this question using the size of integer is 3 byte. So base address is 100 plus I minus lower bound. I is 9, lower bound is minus 5 of this array. So I am 9 minus 5 and multiplied by 3, that is the 142. So this is the address of ARR of 9. Because this is the very beautiful property of array, we can directly access the address of ARR 9 because without going to the linear process. So suppose this is the another example where array is a size of 5 and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are element and I want to calculate the address of ARR3. Array index is start from 0, then we are talking about the ARR3, that means the fourth value. So if the base address is 1000 and size of each element is 4 byte, that means 1000, 20 will take 1004, 30 will take 1008 and 40 will take 1012 address. So this is the manually we can count the address because this is the array's minimum size, very less size, so we can manually calculate. But according to formula, how to calculate? Again, we apply the formula. ARR3 is equal to 1000 base address plus I is 3 minus lower bound is 0 because index start from 0 and size of each element is integer can take 4 bytes. Then we calculate the address of ARR3 is 1012. So this is the one dimensional array. In the next video, I will discuss about the two dimensional array. Thank you very much.